At-home spa. The face steamer helps to moisturize your skin, removes congestion in the sinuses. Benefits. 10x improved blood circulation, improves cell vitality and oxygen absorption through the skin for a healthier, younger-looking complexion, significantly improves absorption of your beauty creams for increased effectiveness and promotes drainage of sinuses and airways for overall improved well-being. Regimen. Enhance your skincare regimen. Use in your morning skincare regimen to soften and smooth skin for easier makeup application, or in the evening to soothe and relax skin for effective, deep facial cleaning. Skin hydration. Keep skin hydrated with soothing steam. This face steamer generates nano-sized steam particles, thousands of times smaller than regular steam, to penetrate the skin and significantly increase moisture. Modern twist. A sleek, compact design complements any bathroom or vanity decor or stores away easily in cabinets or drawers. Simple operation with the touch of a button. Top reviews from the United States. Compact and great for traveling. It is very easy to use. I used this facial steamer multiple times. My skin feels fresh and wrinkle-free. I feel comfortable while using this and my skin felt better than before. It is also helpful for seasonal allergies.